Good, turning 1 year old this year in Parsons.
That's right, Ruthie Lee Gold, happy birthday to you. We will move on to our next item on the list, birthday rather on the list, Oakley Dale Trujillo. Hope I got your last name right, Oakley. Happy first birthday, especially from Grandma Jenny, Grandpa Dale Oak, and Aunt Emma and Uncle Nathan over in Moran.
And we have to point out the obvious. She clearly had a great time getting into her first birthday cake. That's a great picture, great memory to share on her 18th birthday as well.
I didn't realize that until you brought it up. Wow.
Love it. And the blue frosting, that'll stick around for a while.
Yeah.
Levi Wells is 7 strong this year in Parsons, and if it's Levi's birthday, that means it's time to celebrate for Lucas as well. Great pictures of both of them in Parsons.
We move over to Baxter Springs. Happy 8th this go around for Autumn Yeager. Happy birthday to you, Autumn.
I used to love climbing trees back in the day. And Shayla Bogle Hayward celebrating birthday number 21. Great picture there of Shayla in Chanute.
We hop over to the big town, Joplin. Jonathan Ashworth, sporting a mean stash there. 28 this year with a happy birthday wish with love from Mom and Scott.
I wonder if that goes along with his sweater. Somebody was getting festive. Happy birthday, Jonathan. And happy birthday to Kelsey Westerhold, who's now 33 years old this year. Happy birthday, Kelsey, in Sheldon.
Okay, we'll move on to Blue Jacket, Oklahoma. Alyssa Thomas, happy 34th to you this go around.
All right, Tiana Mizrael is celebrating birthday number 35. My girl Tiana in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday.
And Jason, your loving wife Lori, didn't forget your birthday. Happy 43rd to you out of Humboldt.
All right, and let's see, we've got Shannon Lewis there on the left taking birthday number 43 this year. Her picture, it says here, was taken with Mark Hall, who is the lead vocalist for the popular Christian rock group Casting Crowns.
That's pretty cool.
That is neat. Wanted to save there for you. Happy birthday, Shannon.
Happy birthday indeed. We move on back to Jasper, Missouri. Roger Rush, happy 47 to you.
All right, and Michael Forker is celebrating birthday number 51 in Neosho with love from your loving wife, Melanie.
All right, we will move on over to Pittsburgh, the other big town in the area. Steve Burnage, turning 69 this go around. Happy birthday, Steve.
Oh, also turning 69, this one in Erie, Kansas, Peggy Yarnell. Happy birthday, Miss Peggy.
All right, we go back to Joplin. Marge Frazier, 70 years young. Happy birthday to you, Miss Marge.
Okay, and Luther Cantaloupe III, Junior, it says. Interesting. 80 years old, Mr. Cantaloupe, celebrating a birthday, and the entire family, proud grandfather of 19 grandchildren. Wow, happy 80th birthday, Luther. We have a great day.
All right, we are not done just yet. We will wish a happy birthday to Bill Reed out of Chautauqua, Kansas, and a happy birthday to Miss Janine Robinson out of Baxter Springs. Also wishing a happy birthday to Timothy Beth, turning 30 out of Fredonia. And finally, Carrie Schreiber. Hopefully that last name I got right, Carrie, but happy 40th to you out of Chanute. All right, yeah. Oh my God, I'm not done just yet. If you want to shout out your birthday or anniversary, let us know. Send your information our way. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com or birthdays at KOAMNewsNow.com.
Or you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.